Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your DET-SMK AC 1 and 10-year smoke alarms. We'll start by isolating the mains power by pushing the button on the side of the alarm to detach the head from the base and have it swing down from the ceiling. Now, remove the battery backup. Press and hold the test button for 15 seconds. This won't activate the alarm, but it will discharge any residual or stored power remaining in the unit. If your alarms are wired interconnect, repeat these 3 steps on all additional alarms before replacing batteries or reattaching any head units to the bases. After performing the reset, replace the batteries and swing the head unit back up and reattach it onto the base onto the ceiling. Your MATelec smoke alarms are now fully factory reset and ready for normal operation. Before you finish up, we recommend running a quick test to confirm that everything is working properly. You can learn how in our video, How to Test Your MATelec Smoke Alarms in this series. Thanks for watching. And remember, every MATelec smoke alarm is backed by the Smarter Smoky Guarantee. Compliant, complete support, guaranteed.